In this video, I will show you how to find the survey number of a property. A survey number is also known as a parcel number, plot number, land ID, cadastral number, or assessment number depending on your region. This number identifies the exact piece of land in official maps and land records. The fastest way to find this information is by using a modern parcel-level property data platform. In this tutorial, we will use Land Portal because it lets you quickly view ownership details, tax information, sale history, building data, and of course, the official survey or parcel number of almost any property. Start by opening the link in the description. This link will take you directly to the Land Portal website. When the home page loads, in the center, there is a green button that says Start Free Trial. Click on that button. After clicking Start Free Trial, you will be taken to a page where you need to choose a plan. You will see different bundles. You can select the plan called Starter. This plan also shows a 7-day free trial. Click on the option that says Start for Free. Now you will be taken to the checkout page. Here, you need to fill in your billing details. Type your first name, your last name, your country, and your street address. Then type your town or city and select your state or county from the menu. Enter your postal code, phone number, and your email address. Your email is important because this is where you will receive your confirmation. Below the form, you will see the pricing details for the starter plan. It shows the monthly price and also a small sign-up fee. You will also see that the first 7 days are free. After checking all your information on the checkout page, scroll down to the payment section. Here, you will see empty boxes for your card details. Type your card number. Then type the expiration date. After that, enter the 3-digit security code. Make sure all the numbers are correct. Once all the information is filled in, look for the button that says Subscribe or Place Order. Click on that button. The payment will process and your 7-day free trial will start. You will then be taken to the order confirmation page and your dashboard will become active. After signing in, you will land on your Land Portal homepage. A world map will appear on the screen. This is your main map area. Use your mouse to zoom in to the region or city you want to explore. Your full dashboard will appear on the left side of the screen. This includes map search, saved search, orders history, skip trace, slope reports, comp reports, market research, and more. To find the survey number of a property, click on Map Search. At the top of the page, you will see a search bar. Here you can type any city, postal code, region, or even a full property address. The map will then load and highlight all parcels in that area. Zoom in until you see the exact parcel you want. Click on the parcel. A details panel will open on the right side of the screen. Here you will see the official survey number or parcel ID assigned to that property in the land records system. You will also see ownership information, tax details, sale history, building information, and land size. If you need more information about nearby properties or want to verify values, you can click on Comp Reports in the left menu. Enter any address and Land Portal will generate a detailed report with recent sales, market trends, and local data. You can also click Market Research to learn more about the local area, such as neighbourhood insights and market activity. This method is one of the easiest ways to find the survey number or parcel ID of a property. All you need to do is locate the parcel on the map and open the property details. If you want to start looking up survey numbers right now, use the link in the description to begin your free trial. You can access detailed parcel information within minutes.